Welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to be making a long straight skirt, a bandless straight skirt. This is the part 2 of the first tutorial that I posted today on high and low plait top, because this is the skirt of the top. So this is me marking the dots. And please, for you to draft this basic skirt, please do watch my video on how to draft a simple basic skirt. You'll get all the information that you need from there. So I am marking out, highlighting the dots where I'm going to take in both on the Ankara fabric and on the lining, as you can see. The reason why I added SA on the top of the waist of the skirt is for it to be firm and to avoid stretchiness. So this is me aligning the lining to the Ankara, right side to the right side to turn it. This is the back of the skirt. So I want to apply the zip. And please do iron all your stitches. So I'm fixing the zip. So when I'm done, I place the front skirt to the back skirt to join both of them together, making sure that everything is in place. Pin them in place so that they will not move when you are taking your measurements. So you take your round waist measurement, your waist circumference on both sides, like so. Your waist is 32. You take your hip depth so that you can you can take your hip position from there. The hip depth is 9. From there, you take your hip circumference. From there, you divide your hip circumference by 2 and you mark it at both sides. Connect the lines together. So you go down to your knee measurement. From the waist to the knee is 18 for this person. You can use 17 or 18. Depends on how tall the person is. So from there you mark your round knee measurement. To get your round knee measurement, you minus 4 inches from your round hip measurement. Minus 4 inches from your round hip measurement. I use 4 for this skirt, but some people go as far as using 6. You can minus 6 from your hip measurement to make that place go inside. But you have to create ease for you to work properly. So I decided to use 4. So the same measurement you took at your round knee measurement is what you're going to take at the base of your skirt. So round knee measurement is 34. So divided by 217, I'm marking the same 17 at the hem of your skirt too. Connect the lines together and join your front and back, and your skirt is ready. That's simple as that. There will be a tutorial on how to make different type of slits. This is one type of slit on skirt. So I will be doing that tutorial very soon. Please do stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today.